And as you breathe in, you can go deeper and deeper. Relax. Each time you breathe out. Now I wonder how long it is since you believed in magic. If it was way back when you were just a small child. Or maybe you still do believe in magic. Just like me. I see it every day. It's all around. And you only have to look. There's even magic in the way that you can be so quiet, so still, looking as if you are sound asleep, and yet amazingly alert and aware behind those closed eyelids. Of course, it's not the stillness and the quietness that is magical, nor is it the closed eyelid. It's that amazing awareness. Nobody can even begin to properly explain what that is, or how it works, even though we all know what it feels like. We all know to send our thoughts to anywhere we want to. A part of our own body, the big toe perhaps, or the very top of your head. But our thoughts don't have to stay where our body is, because in an instant, in a dazzling flash, you can be thinking about something that happened years ago, or something that hasn't even happened yet, and that's a magical thing. How we can be in one place, one moment, in our thoughts, then thousands of miles and many years away, in the very next split second. Our thoughts moving faster than the speed of light, faster than time itself, as if time did not exist. And we can even imagine something that nobody has ever experienced, just something that we can think of, like swimming in a silken sea of golden mist on a distant planet, where we are so light that we float in the atmosphere, like a feather floating on the breeze. Or imagine starting to look into a crystal until you find a whole universe there, a universe where there are other lives and other beings with our own magical thought. And it's a sort of magic that lets you hear a name whispered quietly in a room full of people. When you weren't even paying attention, and there's magic that is part of your body too, the magic that lets you see or hear something that isn't there, or lets you stay alive without you even trying, without even having to try. Your body does that so well. And the most brilliant scientist in the world cannot make even the most primitive form of life. And yet two very ordinary people can create the most complex form of life that ever existed in this world, on this planet. And that happens millions of times a day, every day. And that is definitely a sort of magic. Because every cell in the human body carries the very same magic, and carries the message for the same magic to be repeated. It's almost like a magic spell, because each cell knows that it has to produce another cell that is exactly the same as itself. So a hair cell creates another hair cell, while a nail cell creates another nail cell, and a skin cell creates more skin, and all of this happens all the time, every split second of every day of your life. And has been happening for millions upon millions of years in every human being that ever existed. And as you continue to listen to the sound of my voice, bring you deeper and deeper. Everybody is fascinated by magic, which is why there are so many stories about magical beings, men who can fly faster than a speeding bullet and see through brick walls, creatures with wings and claws and fiery breath, or perhaps with the head of an animal and the body of a man, mythical ancient creatures who live in the silent depths of the sea, or on the slopes of a mountain, in a remote corner of our world. And there's Merlin, with his magician's hat and his magical gate, with the stars weaving spells and casting them around, in a dazzling display of light and colours. And these things are magic, and yet still the most magical thing in your own subconscious mind, that deep part of your mind, deeper than the deepest ocean, even more magical than Merlin, that part of your mind that can actually make the most amazing things happen for you. If you want to, you only have to tell exactly, specifically what you want to happen, and that powerful subconscious of yours will work its magical spell, as long as you tell what you want to happen, and not what you're afraid might happen instead. Just be specific. Once your subconscious mind knows what you want to happen, he can set about making those things a reality. And it will work as hard as it possibly can to make your dreams come true. And we can help that along with another sort of magic called hypnosis. You can't see it, you can't touch it, and most of the time you certainly cannot feel it, and you won't even know it's there, but it works like magic, now. And as you're so relaxed, because you have listened to me and followed all my instructions, and as you continue to do that, just imagine you are standing in front of a blackboard, and written on this blackboard are the words you use to describe your life. Words such as hectic, stressful, disorganized, tiring, unfulfilling. You take a step toward the blackboard, and you pick up an eraser, and using the eraser you erase all the words on the blackboard. Just get rid of them, one by one, because they no longer exist, and they no longer describe your life. Now picture a large wall in front of you, and you have a permanent marker in your hand. Now with that permanent marker you write on the wall the right words that describe the life you want, the life you want to lead, such as fulfilling, balanced, energetic, and happy. Go ahead and write on the entire wall. Making sure not to leave any blank spaces. Just write every word you can possibly think of. Think of you, adding satisfying, stress-free, rewarding, motivated. And as you continue to write words that would like to use to describe your life. You want a balanced life between work and personal time. And you can achieve a balanced life. You will achieve a balanced life. You dedicate yourself to making positive changes so that you can lead a fulfilling lifestyle. Just picture the changes that you can make. You find better ways of managing your time. And you realize that your time is precious. And you want to be productive and enjoy your time to the fullest. You organize your work life and your personal life so that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. And you simplify the things you can in order to add more fulfillment to your life. And you find ways to be more productive. You find more ways to be productive at work so that you do not have to work long hours. You manage your household so that the important things get done. And you remain calm when little things go wrong. You are strong and you don't sweat the small stuff. Perhaps you go to school or you have children. I don't know. You see the importance of keeping things simple so that everything goes smoothly. And you learn not to make excuses or procrastinate by breaking up projects into smaller pieces. Relationships are also very important to you. And you have many people around you who support you. And you make sure that you leave work behind when you spend time with your family and friends. And you work on having good, meaningful relationships with those who support you. And you take time out for yourself every day. It can be as little as 5 minutes. And you use this time to clear all thoughts from your head. Relax, just as you are now. And you can do some breathing exercise or whole body relaxation. You can also take time to relax and enjoy yourself. After all, that's what life is all about. You do the things that make you happy, whether spending time with family or friends, getting some exercise, or just watching TV. It can be whatever you want. It's important to start your day off right, and it's important to wind down from a hard day. And you strive for balance in every aspect of your life. So just picture yourself, your life, 6 months from now. You have learned to be better at managing your time. And you use every minute of the day to be productive, whether at work or working on relaxation time. And you enjoy every moment of the day. You see a change in your relationships with other people, and you have more energy, and a more positive outlook, because you have simplified your life, and it's now more fulfilling and easier to maintain and manage. You notice that your work life has also improved, and others have noticed a change in you, and they notice that you are happier and more content. And when you go home from work, you leave all your duties at work, and you enjoy your personal life by relaxing with friends and family, because you enjoy the time to yourself when you are able to recharge your life. You are sleeping better. You are getting a more restful night of sleep, and this allows you to have more energy throughout the day. And you are proud of the changes you have made. Your life is more fulfilling now than it ever has been before. And you now lead a balanced life, and you look forward to everything that comes your way. So when you are ready, and have absorbed all the positive suggestions to increase the balance in your life, just bring all the energy back into your body. Bring all the energy back up through your feet, toes, legs, body, chest, arms, hands, head. Bring all the energy from the tips of your toes all the way up to the top of your head. Only coming back to full awareness as those changes begin to happen. Opening your eyes when you're ready, in your own way, in your own time. Effortlessly.